Hi everyone, I am going to be making this really quick corn salad. It turned out to be so delicious the last time. I thought maybe let me go ahead and make it and show you exactly what to put in it. Right now I have some quartered tomatoes. These came out of the garden and there's plenty of them, so I may even put a few more of them in there. These have been rinsed and washed, and it doesn't hurt to rinse them and wash them again. And so we're going to quarter these babies, okay? Quarter all of them. So these are pretty ripe. I took them off the vine when they weren't so ripe because I didn't want any caterpillars or any butterflies or anything that loves tomatoes to come and nibble on them. So I took them out. I would say I have about a good cup and about a quarter cup of the julienne, maybe a third of a cup of the julienne onions. And then I put in some basil, and I have some arugula. It's about a quarter cup of arugula, and I love cilantro, so I'm going to put that in there as well. And what I did basically, like I showed you in my other, I poached it. I just basically put in some water, and I salted the water, and I added fresh corn to this. So, I mean, oops, corn is in season, people. I got these for 17 cents a year. I think I swam too much today. So I did a lime. Well, I'm going to put another lime in there because I spilled some of the lime. So you put lemon or lime. I'm put lime because I like the lime vinaigrette flavor. And then I'm going to put like, let's see, 21 seasonings. I love using the 21 seasonings in there. And that's probably about a teaspoonful. I know it looks like a lot, maybe 2 teaspoons. Because I want some flavor, enhancing flavors. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some salt to that, maybe just a little bit, like a half a teaspoon, because I already have salt. These are already salted. These don't have that much salted. This is strained canola, I think, white northern. Yeah, great northern beans, white beans. You could use the black beans if you prefer. I kind of like the flavor of the white beans. I don't know, it just does something really nice to that. And then I'm going to go ahead and stir some of this. So it's basically extra virgin olive oil, half extra virgin olive oil and half of the lime juice. So half and half. Then I'm going to get a little, oh well, I got plenty of whisk over here. And I don't know, did I tell you that I keep your basil in some water. And they smell up the kitchen so nice, so it gives it a nice pleasant smell. And then I'm going to take your whisk. You're going to whisk this. Okay. So you have like nice, and you want to taste it. You want to blend it really well. Oh, that's good. It's a delicious vinaigrette. I have to take I'm celebrating 4th of July. So I have some rosé. It's delicious. So I'm going to go ahead and pour it in there. All of it. My ribs are they're in the oven. And then I'm going to go ahead and pour my corn in there. And then you just kind of stir it. Oh, yum. nice corn salad. The liquids from the tomatoes are going to incorporate in there. It's going to sweeten it a little bit. And then the rusticness. And I like doing the slippers. You can add some green onions to that. I put some, that is a delicious salad. And you know what? This salad reminds me, my ribs are up, but they're not really done right now. So, I mean, they're not done. The ribs aren't done. So this salad reminds me of the kind of salad that my chef used to make at the school. So somebody came by and gave me some bread, some baguettes. So I really don't have to make any rolls. I was thinking about buttermilk biscuits, but I don't have to because I have baguettes, and I could just make this into a garlic bread, heat it up, make it a garlic bread. So I'm going to try this. That is nice. I love the flavors in there because they're just like, it's summery. And that's what you want. You want a summery, flavorful, summery. Think summer. The beans, they kind of balance it out. And then you refrigerate this and then until it's ready. And you ice it down if you're going to use it at a catering. You want to make sure you have ice on the bottom of the bowl. And then you stick this on top. And this is so delicious. I'm trying to tell you, you love this. This is a delicious meal. So next, I'm going to be making my watermelon salad, which is it's going to be kind of on the sweet side. So my watermelon is going to have mint leaves. It's going to have lime juice. It's going to have honey. And that's it. You cut it up into squares, and you have a nice watermelon salad. So you have a corn salad, you have a watermelon salad, and then I'm going to make a simple potato salad. And I think I have some videos on there with potato salad. So, and this is going to be a nice 4th of July dinner. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.